Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a little test review, which is a review of the test. Things to keep in mind. So we're going to begin today with GMOs. So GMO is like the common term that we use, and it stands for genetically modified organisms. So GMOs in agriculture, that's where we know them to be the best. We're most familiar with them in agriculture. Some plants are injected, genetically that is, with an insecticide or pesticide. And this helps to increase the crop yield, because more plants will, survive the harvest. However, crops are not injected with a broad spectrum pesticide, but rather with a narrow spectrum pesticide designed to give them defense against one type of pest. An example of one type of pest that a crop would have defense against would be caterpillars. The next thing we're going to do is long line fishing. So as we know, it has serious environmental impacts. But the question is, what environmental impacts are they referring to? Well, they are referring to how longline fishing kills seabirds. So seabirds, they see the fish in the nets, they're trapped in the nets. The seabirds see those fish trapped in those nets, and they dive into the water to get the fish, and they end up dying too. So it's very bad. Okay, the next thing. There are certain conditions that promote chemical weathering. Please note, chemical weathering of soils and rocks refers to the breakdown of rock and soil through chemical means, not physical or mechanical. So what I mean by that is physical or mechanical weathering would be how water seeps into cracks, and during the winter the water freezes inside of the cracks, and that expands the cracks. So that would be an example of physical weathering. We're talking about chemical weathering. That's like how acid rain dissolves rock, and things like that. They're chemical reactions that break down rock and soil. So, the next topic is aquaculture. So just to point out, aquaculture, it's not the same thing as fisheries. It's running away from me. Okay. So with aquaculture, the government subsidizes the fishing industry. And actually, this is true for agriculture as well. But unfortunately, this ends up leading to overfishing, which is a serious problem. So, that concludes our little test review. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!